In this clip, you will learn to use pandas to save and write a data frame to a file. Here we are in the Jupyter Notebook. First, we are creating the path to save the processed files, like we did when we first imported the data to the Jupyter Notebook. Here we are storing the processed files to the processed subfolder inside the data folder. We are creating the path for both training and test files. So let's execute this cell. Next, we are writing the data frame to the file. We already know that rows where survived column is -888 belong to test dataset. So in order to get only the training dataset, we can remove rows for the test dataset. Here we are using a simple filter to accomplish this task. Then we are writing the data frame to a file using the pandas to_csv method. As you can see, it is a very straightforward process. Then we are extracting the rows that should belong to the test dataset that we will save to the test file. But if you recall, raw test data file did not have the survived column. Therefore, we are first creating a column list without the survived column and then using it to extract all columns except the survived column. So now let's execute the cell. So now we have saved our processed files and we are done with the processing part. And in fact, we can stop at this moment, but I want to push you a little further. If you recall, in the data extraction module, we created a script to download the data from the Kaggle website and store it in the proper location. We did so because we wanted to have a reproducible script ready that you can simply run and get everything. Similarly, here we will put everything that we have done so far and put that into a single script so that you can run this script and it will do all of the work for you from importing the data to processing the data. Again, this is a very good practice because you don't have to execute each cell one by one. Rather than you can run a single script from the command prompt and you are done. So in the next clip, we will be creating a reproducible script to perform all of the data processing step in one go. You can find the content of the next clip a bit daunting at the first go. Therefore, I have marked the next clip as optional. But I would still encourage you to take the pain because you will be learning some more pandas tools and will learn a standard practice to perform data processing.